Now that you're on the Settings tab, let's walk through the basic details of your PopCard: the name, the type, where it shows up, and a few optional notes to help you stay organized. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. First, you'll see the PopCard name. This is the name you entered earlier. If you want to rename it, maybe something clearer like 10% off promo, you can change it here anytime. This name is just for you and your team. Customers won't see it. This keeps things organized, especially when you have several PopCards running at once. Next is the PopCard type. This simply shows the format you selected earlier, like text, image, or text with image. If you want to switch to another format, just click the back button at the top. Update your choice, and then click Start again to return here. Next is PopCard displayed. This controls where your PopCard shows on your site, whether that's every page, just the home page, checkout, or specific pages only. If you ever need to change where it appears, you can do that right here. If you choose Custom Page, a field will appear where you can paste the page you want this PopCard to show on. If you want to add more pages, just click the green plus button to add another one. You can add as many pages as you need, and remove any of them anytime by clicking the small X beside the page. Below that, you'll see internal notes. Optional, but very handy. This is where you can add reminders for yourself, like promo for first-time buyers, holiday sale banner, or A/B test version 2. Again, this is only visible to admins. Customers won't see anything you write here. You can also save at any step, or wait until you've customized all sections. Both work. Choose whatever feels comfortable for you. And that's everything you need in the Settings section. Once you're ready, move on to the next step: setting your PopCard's placement, where it appears on the screen. If you need help along the way, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic is always here for you. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.